Hi there, what's up? Today I have a new tutorial for you. I hope you like it. Subscribe for more tutorials.
The silence fades into the night. Coyotes sing at the moonlight. These open highways are calling our name.
First, you do keyframe wherever you like to make a movement into your edit. As you see, I rotate the video in different angle and at the same time I put every single keyframe with every movement I set in my edit. And the distance between every keyframe causes to display the duration between them fast or slow.
We don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown.
Then I go to the adjustment section and change the brightness, contrast, saturation and adjusting the curves of my edit as you see. And then from the filters I put the cold blue filter into my whole video. After that, go to the effects and video effect. Select HDR effect for the whole video. As I show you in the tutorial, I set different filter for each part of my edit. And I put the pumpkin and grey orange filter and make some parts of them and overlapped.
Wave goodbye to your city life. Say hello to the desert sky.
And the next filter is Brokeback Mountain filter.
For us to escape, escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown.
A scheduled blue filter is the next one. And put rainbow filter at the end of the part of my video. Go to the video effects again. Put the rainbow fluid and adjust its setting like I showed. Doppelganger 2 is the next video effect. And the next one is Phantom. And the next is Luminance Doppelganger. And the camera movement is the last effect I put. So this tutorial has finished. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.